So today, I'm going to be changing out the spark plugs. I really can't remember the last time I've done this, so they might be pretty bad. Not as bad as what I thought. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Alright, one done. This bracket right here, like all these lines, the fuel line right there, PVC line, I had to move that out of the way just to get to these spark plugs down in here. So it's probably why the dealership charges you so much money to do this. It's also time for me to change this out too. Just wanted to show you guys how much better this side is. See that? They're all right there. Once you move the air filter housing out of the way, it's a straight shot. why I did that side first. This is your answer. Save the best for last. Alright, last one. Plugs are done. We got the new air filter inside of the housing already. I'll just go ahead and try to pop this thing on. Slip it in the back first. Get the bottom parts in. Put it on the front. It's in, and just put the hose back on. And just tighten this back down. Good to go. Before reinstalling the cover, I wanted to clean some of this dirt off with a damp microfiber cloth. That's a little bit better. I don't want to say much better, but it is. Clean the top off. These holes up. Screw the little bolts back on. Let's fire it up. That sounds like a happy engine to me. Not bad for just 102,000 miles. Alright, last thing I need to do is change out the cabin filter, which is right behind the glove compartment. I just take my little screwdriver and oops, just pry that little shock out of the way, and then you just squeeze it in at the top on both sides, and that'll drop it down. I recommend moving all your stuff out, and don't try to record this while you're doing it because you're trying to use it with one hand and then the whole thing just falls out. But anyways, yeah, both hands, it goes a lot smoother. And there's a little door, and this filter is filthy. You can't even tell. I mean, oh my goodness. Wow. It's been a little while since I've done this. Look at that. That's horrible. I mean, look at the comparison. Holy cow. Pop it in, airflow goes up. And this filthy thing goes in the trash. Put this thing back together. It just, the hinges just clip on the bottom. They snap right in place. That snaps right in. And then the little shock is already attached. It just clips on. There it goes. And then you can throw all your crap in here. I need to clean this thing out. So many different things that I need to do. And I'm just so busy all the time. I don't get to them. But I'm trying. Well guys, that pretty much wraps up the maintenance I was doing today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll try to do better about doing my maintenance when it's supposed to be done instead of just being so busy and putting things off.